In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. First, open your Alibaba app. A stable internet connection helps everything load quickly, and make sure the app is updated so the buttons look the same as what you see here. On the home screen, tap Sign In, then log in with your account. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead. Once you land on your dashboard, look to the lower right and tap My Alibaba to open your account area. Inside this menu, choose Payment. This is where all your saved payment methods live. To add a new card, tap Add a new card. You'll see a form. Carefully enter your card details exactly as they appear with your bank, then double check for any typos before proceeding. Small mistakes in the card number, expiration date, security code, or billing address are the most common reasons a card fails to add. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm. At this point, many banks require a quick verification. Follow the prompt to confirm the transaction in your card's app or via the security method your bank uses. You might receive a push notification, a one-time code, or be redirected briefly to your banking app. Approve the request to verify that you're the cardholder, then return to Alibaba if it doesn't switch back automatically. When you see the success message, tap OK. Your new card should now appear under Payment. If it's not visible right away, pull to refresh the page or give it a moment to sync. From here, you can use the card to pay for orders or manage it like any other payment method. If you ever need to remove the card, find it in the same payment section and tap the delete icon beside it. The app will ask you to confirm, so tap Remove to finish. Keep in mind that you can't delete a card that's in use for a pending order, so wait until any transactions complete before removing it. If you run into trouble adding or removing a card, checking with your bank about online and international purchases often resolves it. And that's it. You've learned how to add a new debit or credit card, verify it securely, and remove it when you no longer need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along.